Welcome back to part 2. We're going to be doing two things in today's video. We're going to be playing with the Nikki Tom's Allure Cosmetics eyeshadow collaboration and then some of the Kama cosmetics that I had gotten recently. We also might do a glitter comparison video later if you guys are up for it, but we'll see how we're feeling because we're going to do a crazy look too today, but just regular eyes. So we're going to jump right on in. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes and do my brows off. That purple packs a nice little punch. Again, I've just primed my eyes with concealer and done my brows. There's no primer. This is a good first review. I'm just going to go ahead and pack this into like circular motions, and we're just going to do alternating colors out. I'm going to try to do a rainbow look. Use a color switch, and I dipped into that pink color called Barbie, and I'm diffusing that into the pink, blending it into that pink, trying not to get the orange and the purple mixed together because it'll get muddy. So far the shadows pigments are good, not a lot of fallout. They blend well, they look good, I think. We're gonna go ahead and do using that yellow. I've had to use two layers of it. It's not as pigmented, but that's expected because it's like a lighter yellow, and it's a nice color yellow, so it's pretty good. Blends well, didn't get muddy with the orange, and it does stand out on its own. So I've just added in that blue, and look at how nicely those all blended together. The pigment's great, not a ton of fallout, again more fallout with the yellow than anything else, but I did have to put two layers. It would probably work a lot better on top of like a white base, but it works pretty well on its own. This palette is really good so far, and for the price, you know, you can't really go wrong. Again, these eyeshadows are like $1.30 when you do the math and the breakdown of the price, so Nikki, you did a great job. You too, Allure Cosmetics. Is went in and added some purple here and cut the crease. We're going to add this glitter from Kama Cosmetics. Look how sparkly that is. Now, I'm still testing out their glitter glue to make sure that it's not going to cause me any sensitivities, so I'm going to use the NYX one because that's what I use all the time. So far, it's been okay on my hand, but I'm a scaredy cat and want to just make sure. So I'm going to apply this, and then we're going to put that hollow on. Just cutting the crease. Cut the crease, cut the crease, cut the crease. Ooh. Someone call Christine the science queen because we found hollow. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh my god. The camera doesn't even do this justice. I'm gonna have to show it to you when it's the eye look is done with like the flash in the front face. Oh my gosh. Oh, so pretty. A 5-minute break and then do my chest piece, so when I come back I'm going to have some crazy makeup on my chest, but then we'll finish the eye look, okay? Add your eyeliner in a swoopy doopy. I'm going to try to put a star there. I'm going to do the same over here. This is the chest piece if you're interested, and I'm just using a liquid black liner. Little swoop la doops down. Done a reverse rainbow, and I'm going to add the silver sparkles in there. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Eyeshadows are really pigmented, they feel nice. The glitter that I used, wonderful, can't even tell that it's on my eyes. Look at that up close. I'm going to add in a flash shot here now. Look how pretty that is.